the wilderness. How can I ever lose my mates? Never know we are walking the green and the gold and the red. What are you talking about? Ancient teachings, it's what I'm about. Let me watch them out. My meditation is higher than the cloud. Fix up and look sharp, you. Nobody can take away your heart, true. You're not even up for heart, so we are Ragamuffin. Yeah, soldiers, soldiers in a Jah Youth army. Yeah, Rasta is showing a warning, yeah. We are Ragamuffin soldiers, soldiers, soldiers in a Jah Youth army. Yeah, Rasta is showing a warning, yeah. Listen carefully. Hey, Shabby, we some ready for the battle. We're not taking you cattle, you love the look of your shackles. We can tackle when I fish for the villages and even a piece of apple. Stay strong or sure, sing it in every song that I'm written on a collateral with a banner. Every lyrics, the wicked, the one that's the one that's in it. We know the truth, we know that, you know that, we know that you're gonna fool. Weak minded, taking the bait, getting food taken from the plate, don't be a fool. Don't be so cruel, harm no sleep, roll of a piece, I will really big for it all. Oh, righteous, straight in the kingdom, Rastafari, rule them all. Yeah! We are Ragamuffin soldiers, soldiers. Showing a warning, yeah. We are Ragamuffin soldiers, soldiers, soldiers in a Jah Youth army. Yeah, Rasta is showing a warning, yeah. Pick up everybody recording. Yeah, the sound band. Do you want to meet the band? So I don't want to meet the band. Box it up, if you know it. Yeah. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. How you feeling, people? How are you feeling? Give me some energy. 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 Alright. You want to meet the royal sounds? Some royal sounds. We are right here upon drums. The man like Rindy. Let me hear it for Rindy. Let me hear it. Definitely.
Yeah. The man like Hannibal, talk to them.
Yeah, problem. Babylon now when me arrive, I be a problem. The whole place I get up just like oven. Want the reggae music, they think I get governed. Left the fenceless, now they fully get shoving. Them drop the herb because the brother pop Molly. Them pedophile out prison, I go give them dolly. Kill up the homeless and I take them jolly. All we can do is achieve it and I still feel jolly. That's why I keep myself to myself. Where's Wally? You never could have find me, cause this Rasta not dolly. Just take myself to the park in the valley and no one big spliff in a me and make me happy.
What was the name for Rassimple? Forward, Rassimple, talk to them.
Where you say you want it?
Talk to them.
Keep it just so. Alright. Because I know that you know that Jah is the healer. Cause I know that you know that Jah is the king. Because I'm smoking and I'm not headed part, no joking, no coating. Cause we just stay have good vibes, yes I am promoting. A freestyle straight from the brain, it's no joking. Oh yeah, because I know that you know that Jah is the healer. Cause I know that you know that Jah is the king. Give them some praise. What you mean? We not stop there. We can't stop there. Over for the keys. We have keep my link. Who wanna how you feeling?
Jumping. Let me see you jumping. I can't see nobody. Wave ya, so I can't see. Wave ya, let me see this. Wave ya. I tell you. Royal someplace in Syria. I want to big up the promoters from reggae. No, City Splash. Yeah, I want to big up. Let me answer the promoters of City Splash.
Yeah, man.
Let me hear it. Keeping reggae music live. Scene, keeping reggae music live.
Like we said, give thanks, man. The energy was good.
Box it.
You hear me? Royal sounds. Yeah, man, we give thanks and praise to the Most High Jah, Rastafari. Yes, I pick up by the name of Royal Sounds. We give thanks and praise again, you know? Yes, I. Big up Jah Youth. We're here today with Jah Youth. You see me? Big up, higher.
Dingwalls, courtesy of the Roots Ambassador family. Of the Roots Ambassador family, because this is the second anniversary of Jah Youth joining the ancestral realm. And the whole idea is a part of his legacy that he wanted to promote the young people, he wanted to promote the elders, and he wanted to promote the true roots and culture, music. And it's that we're dealing with tonight. So when I see Royal Sounds as a young, well, some only young. I'm only joking, brother. Yeah, man, you know, the youth and the energy, all I can say is wait till later. When them rise in power, I tell you. Just continue, you know, like I said to Tisha Makeda today, it's that the heart and the spirit, you keep that going, brother. Yes, you keep it going. Yeah, and that's why we wanted to put the band forward. And you know, they're very busy. If you check them out on the internet and the thing, them always do something. them a make music, them a send clips, them a do this. So when Father Bim, give it up for Father Bim, you know, cause yo, this elder, I don't know where he gets it from. Well, I should know because I do the same. But he doesn't stop. And he promotes and he gives without even wanting anything in return. And that is the beauty of love. And you sing a song tonight about, you know, the power of love. So we hear that. So I want to tell you, the youngsters are doing it. And later, in a while, we got one of the legends of the roots scene, yeah? One of the outstanding legends. We never talk too much. So we give thanks for your presence. And for those who came, who just come, who don't miss some wonderful performances tonight. When we have a show, you must get up and try and come from the beginning of the show, right? Now wait till bus stop running all them things there. And you can't find parking and rain and fall and breeze a blow and everything a go wrong. So give it up once again, Dingwalls crew.
Thank you very much.
Sounds in the house. Rastafari. Rastafari. Yeah man, full joy.